Hamas says several of its senior officials were killed in the latest round of Israeli attacks. They say one of those officials died in a strike last night on the largest hospital in southern Gaza. The Hamas-run health ministry says more than 50,000 Palestinians have been killed since the start of the October 7th war. Imtiaz Tayeb has the latest.
Southern Gaza's largest, still functioning hospital on fire following the Israeli strike. Inside, chaos as dozens of the already sick and wounded suffered injuries and were rushed to safety. Half the staff treating patients here are international medics, including some American doctors. The Israeli military has confirmed it targeted the Nasser hospital in Khan Yunis. It was part of an attempt to kill senior Hamas leader Ismail Barhoum, who was receiving treatment there after being wounded in an airstrike days earlier. A Hamas official later confirmed Barhoum was assassinated. The group also said another of its top members, Salah al-Bardawil, was killed on Saturday in a separate Israeli strike. Israel's renewed war in Gaza began just under a week ago, ending a U.S.-brokered ceasefire that lasted nearly 2 months. All humanitarian aid has also been suspended. Since then, hundreds of Palestinians, including women and children, have been killed. CBS News has also verified the Israeli military's use of American-made 500-pound bombs. The eruption of violence comes as the death toll in Gaza passes 50,000 killed since Israel launched its devastating offensive in retaliation for Hamas's October 7th attacks, marking a grim milestone for a war with no end in sight.
And in a call overnight between Secretary of State Marco Rubio and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, the two discussed the resumption of fighting in the Gaza Strip, with Secretary Rubio expressing the U.S.'s, quote, unwavering support for Israel and its policy. Imtiaz Tayeb, CBS News, London.